What's going on, guys? It's me, your boy. Snuck back into your algorithm. We're gonna go on an adventure today. Just got off work. This is my last day to be able to post content or record content. I mean, I've been fishing probably 5 or 6 times since I posted my last video, and I either got skunked or only caught 1 or 2 fish that was just like not worth posting. So yeah, we're gonna fish the same stretch of river that, not my last video, but the video before that. I didn't walk very far down this way, and I'd like to explore more. So I just happened to catch those fish and had stuff to do that day and get out of there. But yeah. Well, yeah, there's this thing I wanted to try. I want to show y'all the temperature right now though. 81. But there's this thing I want to try. I gotta get changed. I'm gonna see if I can do it. Alright. You ready? Can y'all see me? I hope that works. I've been wanting to do that for so long. Got changed, it's finally warm enough for a tank top and swim trunks. Got the dogs out, the flip flops. Man, it feels so good to have those things on. I'm gonna put the hair up. I'm gonna get my sunglasses on, get a couple little things ready. We're gonna throw a paddle tail and an artificial crawl and see what we can do. See y'all on the river. All right, we're on the bridge. What do I got? 33%. The duck is pissed. Alright, we're gonna post up right here in the middle. Ooh. But first, I'm gonna put my phone in my book bag. Because that'd be smart. Don't wanna lose that. Phone, knife. Most important, wallet. And let's go. Just gonna hang one leg over like we did last time. Avoid the dumpster. There's a whole dumpster in here right here. Hi. I am. Yeah. Yeah. Just in my right now. I'll try. Anybody on this side today? Kinda wanna get up there and stand. Probably a little too sketchy, huh? Might have to switch to my swim bait guy.
sorry.
You're good.
Are you worried about sitting up there like that?
Nah. I think I'll survive.
Have you caught anything yet?
Not yet. I have caught stuff here before.
You need a fishing license, a fishing rod.
You do. You need a fishing license, and then this time of the year you need a trout stamp also, because they stock it. They're only $23, so.
Oh, they stock the river with trout?
They do, yes ma'am. Yeah, so it's like, what's that, 46 bucks, and you can fish everywhere all year. And then if you want to go anywhere in the national forest, you have to get a national forest stamp, which is $4.
Oh, there's a duck over there.
Yeah, there was 2 of them. There's some geese up there too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a metric ton of bait fish down there. Holy crap. Alright, that's all I need to know. There's a ton of them. Alright, here we go. Let's do it. Got my little swim guy on my collapsible rod.
Great place to fish.
Yeah, it is. I think he was being sarcastic. Oh, I just missed one as soon as you said that.
Oh man.
You need to stay over here. You were my good luck charm. I'm scared about catching something too big on this rod. It's only a 6-pound test. Got him. Oh, I missed him again. He felt hooks on that. Oh, we hit it. Oh, do I have him? What the heck is happening? Took my tail off. Must be a little guy. Oh, he just got scared. I see him. Uh-oh. Why does that keep happening? It's gotta be a small fish.
Don't jump.
I'll try.
Don't jump, it's not worth it.
Yeah. I wonder how how many people are gonna say that. They're hitting me under the bridge. Maybe they're over here. Got him. You guys want to know why I was missing him? Because it's a friggin' trout. Why does this keep happening? Why is this happening? Oh my god. Ain't no way. Oh, hold on to him tight. I actually have a stringer today. He said, oh, you caught one. He's gonna throw it. Hey, look at me having another battery after my battery died. So yeah, right after I caught that fish, the battery died, so sorry for that, but we're gonna send her back down there. So, see, look at the damage these things do to these little soft plastics. I tore that thing up, dude. That's why he was only grabbing the tail. That's why he missed it. That's why I missed him by the tail earlier. Might actually have to put another one on. I'm gonna try it anyway. So those are trout. I should have known sitting right here in the current. So we got one fish. I got one in the freezer from the last time I caught trout, so if we only catch one, we could still do a catch and cook. Oh, I just got bit again.
Nothing yet,
One.
What?
Just one, yeah.
Just throw it back?
No, he's over there laid by my book bag.
Oh. Wow.
I got a new one on there. Got another one. No, no, I don't. Got a stickfish. Got a big stickfish. Let go of me. No. No. Oh no. What is that, a string? Man, I only have one of these left too. Oh, oh my god, that thing came flying a million miles an hour back and hit me in my wrist. Holy shit, it's already red. Y'all gotta see this. Oh my god, I thought my life was over. Look at this. Right there. Right there is the little blood spot. And that's where the jig hit me. hook jig. Smack me at like mock Jesus. Alright, let's see if we can not mock Jesus ourselves again. How you doing? Just one. Missed a couple. Guys, laying right there to your left.
Trout?
Yeah, a little brookie. Nah, I got him on a little paddle tail. Little bass rig.
Mallard.
The geese.
The geese.
They just came in here and the fishing all up, huh?
The green ones are ducks. That
Look at
greenish neck. Those are geese. The black necklace.
Uh-huh.
Huh.
Look at him. He's hungry. He's mean.
Birds are some of the smartest animals on the planet.
Holy crap, guys. I am sorry to cut it short, but that dude would not stop talking to me. I could not get away from him. Like, he just kept on and kept on and kept on and kept on, and I just could not get away from him. I had to blame the geese on messing the fishing up, but he just would not leave me alone. Man, anyway, I got another fish in the freezer. We're gonna go home, cook some fish up. See y'all when I get there. Alright guys, we're headed to the house. You see people in the background, it's just my neighbors. What we got going on here today is some steaks. Doing steaks, fried squash, corn on the cob, and the trout we just caught, plus one we caught in the last video. Got the corn on already. Gonna let it cook low and slow. I know you can't tell, but the grill is on low. Gonna attempt to cook the squash out here. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we'll see. Gonna let the corn cook for a little while. Gonna season up the steaks. I still gotta gut the trout, and then we'll get the trout on last. Cook everything else first, and then we'll do the trout. See y'all in a minute. All right, guys. I don't know if I'm allowed to show this, but I'm going to anyway. I got curious and opened the stomach of this trout. Look at that. That's shells. He's eating freshwater clams. That's wild. There's a stick in there. Literally just eating anything that floats by. Lots of bugs. Lots of sticks. That's weird. Alright guys, here's what we're going on. There's a whole lot. Here's a little tip for you guys. Put an egg in a bag. It's especially good for camping. And just shake it up. Just one egg. You put it in there, get it in the corner, and shake the shit out of it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put these squash right in this bag. I'm going to drop all my stuff on the ground. The neighbor's kids are yelling in the background. Drop these squash right in here. I'm going to put the squash in there, and then we're going to shake it all around. Put the egg all over it. Helps if you close the bag all the way. Then all you do, you take it from one bag. And then you give it a solid dump right in the other bag. And this other bag, all it is a mixture of flour and a shit ton of Tony's. Flour and Tony's. We're gonna let them sit for a minute, and then we're gonna start the sticks. why one steak's cut in half and the other one's not is because my girlfriend and my little sister are also eating. They don't ever eat a full steak, so they're splitting one. But your boy is fat, so he eats full steaks. Yeah, I'm gonna let that season sit on there for a minute. And I'm gonna season the fish the same exact way we seasoned the last one. Except we're gonna throw a little bit of onion and pepper in the gut. Don't judge me for drinking Michelob. They were out of Coors at the store, and this was only $14. Alright, we're gonna see what this squash do. If they start cooking right, we're gonna start cooking the steaks. Outside before it gets dark. I'll move the squash inside. You won't see it on camera, and I'll just alternate. Just gotta go grab something to get the squash off. Alright guys, I got the squash taken inside. I'm gonna chop up some pepper. Just some sweet bell pepper, some green pepper. Gonna chop it up in pretty small pieces. I'm gonna put a little bit on top of my steak. We're going to do a little bit of onion. God, I love cooking outside. You can just throw it in. Also going to chop it up in pretty small pieces, even smaller than the pepper. And then I'm going to put a little bit of it on the steak. Just a little bit. Close that up. Turn it down. I had it wide open because the thing was open. Alright. Let's move these fish to the front. Peppers to the back. I'm going to do the same thing we did last time. Just cut some slits in it on both sides. This helps the fish cook evenly. It keeps the skin from curling. And you can also get some seasoning down in there. We're going to take the head off this one. Took the head off because my girlfriend doesn't like the head. She has this thing about, like, the thing looking back at her, I guess. I don't know. I don't understand it. It don't bother me. Alright. Dirty hands. I'm going to go get something to wipe my hand off on. I'll be right back. Alright, got us a wad of paper towels. I'm going to jam that in my pocket. Check on the steak because I was away for a little minute. Don't want to overcook it. Alright, so here we go. First things first, some garlic. Both sides, inside. Both sides, inside. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Man, I have a feeling I'm going to run out of sunlight. Hope this GoPro works good at night. And then we got our mixed seasoning. This is like thyme, rosemary, whatever. There's a bunch of green seasonings mixed together. I think they all got mixed together one day. Because one day it just started tasting different. Oh my gosh. Alright. Got our fish all seasoned up. And then we're going to take some of these onions and peppers. And we're going to put inside the stomach of each one. Put some inside the head of this one. And there we go. We get our wad of paper towels back out. Wipe our hands off and move y'all back over here. Hope y'all can see. What can y'all see? Can y'all see right there? Crooked, 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 crooked. There we go. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna move it 100 times before it looks good. Alright. This is the first time ever recording on my GoPro with a tripod, so please forgive me if it's not completely in frame. I'm trying. Tell you what, the husks of them corn smell good. I'm gonna roll them around a little bit. I'm gonna go check on my squash inside. Be right back, y'all. Squash are looking good, y'all. I got my little sister man in the squash, so I guess woman in the squash. Alright. Oh no, I didn't think this through. I'm about to lose my little pepper guys, but it'll be okay. It's looking pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and start my little sister's side of the steak because she likes steak about like I do, and it's a smaller steak than mine. Might have to go ahead and pull mine off. I think I might have already overcooked it. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw these fish on there too. One fish. Two fish. Put these peppers and onions on everything. Mix it in with all the seasoning left on the board because we love cross-contamination. Don't tell Chef Ramsay. Makes everything taste good, you know. Alright, we're going to close that down for a couple seconds. I'm going to go get a plate to take my steak off because I'm pretty sure I've already overcooked it. So, see you guys in just a second. Got to take my seasonings and everything inside too, so see y'all in probably 5 minutes, to be honest. Alright guys, we back in business. And I forgot my tongs. But it's okay, and I forgot a plate to take my steak off because that puppy is looking ooh. I guess I'll be back in another 30 seconds. We back. My sister's got the tongs. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else to report. Not gonna roast her live, you know what I mean? But y'all might can roast me over this steak because I definitely overcooked it. It's not my fault. I got a lot going on. This side was cooking slow. Hold these corns down. Since everything's about to come off, we're gonna turn this bad boy on super duper low. And roll the corns around a little bit. That one's gonna catch on fire. Alright, well, moving them down was a problem. Just gonna roll the fish over ever so slightly. Damn, the skin's coming off with all the seasoning. That look pretty good. That look pretty good. See y'all in a few minutes. We're gonna close this lid and let her cook. Alright guys, so my steak is absolutely magnificent. This is looking absolutely perfect. Let's see if we can get y'all a look. Oh yeah, she's looking good. Still got one more steak to cook. My girlfriend likes hers blue rare, so that's what we're gonna do. Till we can get back in the same position we were in. I believe this one's about done. I think my sister likes it a little more well done. Oh yeah, these fish are looking good. Not quite falling off the bone yet, maybe. 2 more minutes. Oh my God, that's good. 2 more minutes. Oh yeah, that's busted. See y'all in just a second. Alright guys, I think it's about that time. I'm gonna put my girlfriend's steak on now. She likes it blue rare. So she's gonna get about 30 to 40 seconds, maybe a tad more on either side. But she likes that cow running away if she's trying to eat it. So we're gonna try to do it. I struggle at it a lot. Like, I'm not very good at it because I'm not very good at. She's the first person I've ever had to cook a blue rare steak for. So yeah, I'm not very good at it, but I'm trying. I try. So I think I'm gonna pull these fish. These fish look done. Pull the fish. Oh yeah. I mean, that looks good. This one might need a little bit more on this side. I'll pull this fish whenever I pull my girlfriend's steak. Then we're gonna go ahead and pull my little sister's steak. And oh, look at that. Burnt the corns a little. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Gonna give it just a minute. And I guess it's worth turning the camera off. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright guys, we're pulling the fish. Gonna give the steak about 30 more seconds. And we're pulling it. See you guys inside. I'll take a few bites for y'all and then we'll call it a day. Alright guys, hope you can see me. Dinner's done. Gotta be out here. My sister's watching me. Alright, I'll show y'all the plate. Show y'all the plate. Show y'all a cut of the steak. I thought I overcooked it, but it actually looks pretty good. A little bit of pink in there. A little overcooked, not super bad. Not the best in the world. A little dry right there on the edge because I was running so thin. Forgot a couple things. It's alright. We're just gonna get a little bit of this fish off. And by a little bit, I mean the whole side. Get this little corn hair out of there. Looks pretty good. And I said in the last video I didn't like the skin, but then I ate it and I was like, that's kind of busting. So here we are. Eating bones. Pretty good. Fish, 8 out of 10. Not as good as the last one. Steak, 8 out of 10 also. Could be better, but it's alright. There'll be more. Thank you for tuning into this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share it with a friend. Tell me we suck at fishing over here on this side. Tell me that we're great, or I'm great. I don't know why I'm saying we. But yeah. Catch y'all on the next one. I feel like I should have a catchphrase, but I don't. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See y'all in the next one.